Finding the ultimate purpose in life. Oo nga no, try ko. May mga nag-message sa akin, mga dati kong kasama when I was in multi-level marketing business. So, nagkwentuhan kami, nagkamustahan. Yung isa nga nakabili na naman ng bagong sasakyan, may bagong bahay, at naiintindihan ko yung ganong bagay. At isa pa, walang masama sa ginagawa nila. Yung iba, tinatry akong, pabalikin. Yung iba naman, tamang kamusta lang. Kasi naiintindihan naman nila kung ano talaga yung gusto mo, yun yung gawin mo. They weren't just talking about the dream, they were talking about me.
Hello, lovely.
Tas yun, niremind lang nila ako na bigyan mo ng halaga yung ginagawa mo, mahalin mo yung ginagawa mo, yung kung anong meron ka ngayon. Nagkamustahan kami not to, invite me into a group business meeting. And yeah, for the first time, I believed them. Not because they were louder than the doubt, but because they remembered me when I forgot myself. So once again, I'm giving fire to that urge I once had, pero on my own path. Not para sumali sa kung anong meron sila, but on my own. Gagawa ko ng series about finding my purpose in life. But before that, let me tell you my story. It's been about 8 years when I first stepped into the working world. And honestly, when I look back, it feels like a lifetime of lessons to be packed into less than a decade. I was only 16 when I got my first taste of what it meant to hustle. I was fourth year high school sa Camarines Sur National High School when I joined multi-level marketing business. At that young age, I found myself in rooms with people twice my age. Learning how to talk, connect, and most importantly, how to believe in myself. At that young age, I met different people with different ages. Dun ko na-realize na mahirap yung buhay. At dun ko mas naintindihan na habang tumatanda ako, mas tumatanda yung parents ko. And then in college, I juggled part-time jobs to support my studies. It was tough, but I knew I had to keep moving forward. Sumasama ako dati sa isang medical team kung saan yung company is nakakontrata siya sa mga congressman, and then